With this video, I'm back with another member siding script, which is currently the best script in the whole Telegram. So, don't waste the time, let's start the video. I have uploaded the script in the Telegram channel. The link of the Telegram channel is in description. So, please join the channel. Copy paste each and every command one by one in the Termex. You have to install the Termex, the latest version. This process may take some time, so don't worry. I may have fast forwarded the video while editing, so my video may complete in less time than the process it might complete actually. Whenever it asks Y or N, enter capital Y. Whenever it asks to enter capital Y, capital Y, Y, Y again. Now copy pkg install python command and paste it in the termex. This process is actually a quite time taking process. The completion of process depends upon the speed of your internet or your Wi-Fi. Also, until now I have uploaded more than 5 Telegram member siding scripts, and I am giving the latest subsets of Telegram bots which are very useful in daily needs. So please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. As I said, this process is a time taking process. That's what it's showing in the video. Also, I would like to tell one thing to you guys. This is currently the best script in the Telegram, which has 46 features. If this video gets 1k views in 3 days, I will upload another video on this script on how to activate anti-ban filter. Now copy pip install colorama command and paste it in the termex. Later copy termex setup storage command and copy it in the termex. After copying the termex setup storage command in the termex, it asks for you to grant the permissions. Then you should click allow. Now open ES File Explorer app to copy the full path link of the file. So here I am showing how to download the given file. You need to have ES File Explorer app and Z-Archiver app to continue this process. Now open ES File Explorer app and go to downloads and extract the Venom zip file. Now open your phone.csv file and enter the phone numbers that you want to use to add members. Make sure that you entered the numbers without having plus at the start or at the index. Now open config.ini file and enter the target group link and your group ID at the respective positions as shown in the video. Make sure that the phone number that you have given in the phone.csv file and the phone number that you gave in the configuration of ini file is same. Like the starting number of phone.csv file should be same to the configuration.ini file phone number. To group is the link of your group, and from group is the target group from which you want to scrape members, and the group ID should be your group ID to which you want to add members. Now here I am showing how to copy the full path link. Click on more and then click on properties and then click on copy full path. Now go to Termex and type cd and give space and paste the copy full path link that you have copied. Enter 1 here. This process may take some time, so don't worry about that. It's installing the requirements that are needed to run this script. Click enter and enter 2 here. Now copy the last command python venom.py and paste it in the termex. Boom! Here are the 46 features that I have said earlier. I have entered one to log in the numbers that I have given in the phone.csv file. So my login is completed. Now paste the python venom.py command again in the termex. Now enter 20 to add the members to your group. So here enter n if your group is public, else enter y if it is private. So see, now I can see the members are getting added to my Telegram group. It's initially 745 members. Now you can see the count is 747, 748. It's adding the members to my Telegram group. You can clearly see the members are getting added to the Telegram group. So it's 7:53 currently, 7:55. So the script is running perfectly, and it is currently the best script in the whole Telegram. So make sure you have subscribed to the channel for more exciting videos. Thank you guys.